So guys, for the first method, you just want to head over to the Play Store, and then once you're on this, you want to search for Messenger. Click on it, and then once you're on this, you want to click on Messenger. You just want to make sure that you have Messenger fully up to date. If Messenger has an update for you, it's going to tell you. You can then update it. In my case, I have no update on Messenger, that's why it doesn't say anything for me. But in your case, if you do have an update, then you want to update Messenger. See if this works for you. And now for the second method, you want to find Messenger, you want to hold it, and now this will appear. Now you want to click on the info, and now this will come up. Now you want to scroll down till you find storage. Click on storage, and now in the bottom right, you want to click on clear cache. See if that works for you. If that's still not working for the third method, you want to hold on to Messenger, and then you want to click on uninstall, and then you want to uninstall it. And now we're going to head over to the Play Store, and then you want to type in Messenger, go to it, and now you just want to install it again. After you install Messenger again, you just want to restart your phone, and then the problem should be fixed.